Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on renter's insurance with Farmers, beginner guide step by step clearly. Are you looking to save money on renter's insurance with Farmers? Let's break down the steps to help you find the best deal. First, research the basics of renter's insurance. Understand what it covers, including personal property, liability, and additional living expenses. Next, gather your personal items and assess their value. Make a list of all your belongings to ensure adequate coverage. Visit the Farmers Insurance website. Use their online tools to estimate your coverage needs. Once you have an idea of your requirements, request a quote online. Provide accurate information to ensure the quote reflects your true needs. Consider bundling your renter's insurance with other policies like auto insurance. Farmers often offers discounts for bundled policies, which can lead to significant savings. Look for eligible discounts. Farmers provides various discounts, such as claims-free, protective devices, or good student discounts. Check if you qualify by answering any specific questions during the quote process. Review your coverage options carefully. Choose a policy that fits both your needs and budget. Adjust your deductible if possible. A higher deductible often leads to lower premiums, but ensure you can afford it in case of a claim. Finalize your policy by reviewing all terms and conditions. Make sure you understand your coverage limits and any exclusions. Contact a Farmers agent if you have questions or need personalized assistance. They can help clarify any uncertainties and provide tailored advice. Once satisfied, complete your application and make your first payment. Keep a copy of your policy in a safe place. Set reminders for policy renewal and review your options each year. This ensures you're always getting the best possible rate. Consider shopping around periodically to see if better rates are available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.